Hello there, welcome to Volume 4 of Sean Greasley's Visual Basic tutorials. We'll now look at if statements within Visual Basic. If you haven't come across if statements before, then I'll show you now and you can learn quite a few things. Okay, so what we're doing in this example is if the user enters yes, then we want to display something. If the user enters no, we want to display something else. Okay, this is where the user will be entering information, so we'll call that txt user, like so. Right, let's double click the command button, that will take us into the click property. Okay, so if txt user dot text, remember our docs text property from our second tutorial, is equal to yes, then okay, this is the if statement syntax within Visual Basic. You first have if, this is your condition, so if the text box is equal to yes, as you can see, then we need then. As you can see, then and if have been highlighted in a navy blue color. This shows that they are stored in the Visual Basic library. Okay, so if it equals to yes, then we'll display a message box saying you entered yes. If the message box, if the text box wasn't yes, then we can use the else command. So anything but yes, which is what the else command does. This won't only work for no, but it will work for anything other than yes. And then we must end our if statement using the end if command. So with an if statement you have if, your condition, then you have a statement for this condition. If it doesn't equal to that condition, then you have a statement, then end the whole if statement here. We'll run that program. The user enters yes, you entered yes. If we put no, you entered no. If we put 2 G's, it will tell us we entered no. To solve this problem, we can use what's known as an else if statement. So if you have more than 2 conditions, at the moment we have a condition for yes and we have a condition for no. We now want a condition for anything but yes and no. So what you have to do is copy that condition here. This is a new condition. Else if the text box is no, then you entered no. But now we need a condition for anything but these. So what we can do now, we could say if the text user dot text is not equal to no, and text user is not equal to yes. Message box, you didn't enter yes or no. Okay, let's take you through this line briefly. Here's your if statement. If it's not equal to yes, it will fall into this else if statement. If it's not equal to no, then we'll go into the other else if statement, and it will say if the user.text is not equal to no and it's not equal to yes, then it's either something else, but we know it's not no and we know it's not yes. If you don't want this in here at all, we can simply delete these 2 lines and it will do nothing if the user doesn't enter yes or no. Let's try this. Yes, you entered yes, you entered no. You didn't enter yes or no. I will describe operators and logic gates in the next tutorials, so you will understand those and you'll get a better meaning of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on if statements. Goodbye.